Yo YouTube, it's your boy Kevin Matic, the ultimate. And you know we're there, we're outside, we're here, we're chilling, we're vibing, and we're back with our next video. You see me? So today, I'm gonna show you how to claim the $500 bonus on the Lynk app in 2023. You feel me? 2023. Alright. So I'm gonna show you it right now. So forward. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open the Lynk app. Now after you open the Lynk app and you get signed in, the next thing you want to do is click on your avatar on the top left. You want to go to rewards, click on that, and then you're going to see claim bonus. It's right there. After that, you just enter your code. And in this case, the code for today is going to be E66BF5. You enter that, and then once you enter that code, it automatically comes to this screen right here. It brings you back, and then, yeah, as you can see, you get your payout. Alright, so now that you've received the 250, remember the video says 500. So all you have to do now is top left again. We're going to go rewards. We're going to go invite friends. Now all you need to do is invite one friend using your code. So this is mine right here. You can use this to claim your 250. And then you're going to see your own personal code right here. And once you send this code to your friends and they download the Lynk app and sign up, you just show them this video and have them do the same process that you're doing now. And then, yeah, you get 250 for each. So you can even make more than 500 for real. But yeah, this is all for now. Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe, and share the video if this really helped you out. Thank you. Bye.